Morning students, welcome to your VVPS e-learning class. You all know that today is your online class. I hope you all are well. So, write down classwork, put the date, that is 27/9/2021, lesson 7, the whistle. Exercises, who might have said the following? Means who said to whom? Number 1. I always wished to visit the forest. Who said this? Tulsa said this. Second one. Listen, there are monkeys too in the trees. Who said this? Khare Chacha. Third one. I wish I had that whistle. Who said this? It is Benjamin. Fourth one. You may buy something if you wish. Who said this? It is Benjamin's mother. Now fifth one, someone must have stolen them. Who said this? It is Suraj. Sixth one, no, I had some in the kitchen for emergencies. Who said this? Amachi. Number 7, wow, look at these words, Ammi. Who said this? Izaz. 8, I came because I was missing Ammi's biryani. Who said this? Vikram. Ninth one, have you named all the lanes in the city? Who said this? Venki. Let's go. We are almost at the park now. Who said this? It is Nani. Now, we will today read a new lesson, that is poem number 8, Rainy Morning. I will read it and explain it to you. Poem 8, Rainy Morning. As I was walking in the rain, I met a fairy down a lane. As the narrator was walking in the rain, he met a fairy in the road. We walked along the road together. I soon forgot about the weather. The fairy and the narrator, both walked through the road and they forgot about the rainy weather. He told me lots of lovely things, the story that Robin sings. The fairy told him lots of good things. The story that the Robin is a bird who sings a song, who says a story, and where the rabbits go to school, and where the rabbit used to go to school, and how to know a fairy pool. He told about the robin sings, rabbits goes to school, and there is a fairy pool, and what to say and what to do if boggles ever bother you, and what to say if boggles means boggles are small little goblins. You might have seen them in your cartoons. Now come to next page. The flowers peeped from heady places and shook the raindrops from their faces, and furry creatures all the way. Heady places means places which is full of bushes, and the raindrops in their faces, and those fairy creatures came popping out and said good day. But when we reached a little bend just where the village house ended, he seemed to slip into the ground. And when I looked about, I found when they reached the village end, then the fairy goes into the ground, and At that time the rain suddenly gets over and the sun starts shining. Right? So, write this poem in your English literature copy. Your homework is learn and write 8 lines of the poem Rainy Morning in your English literature copy of lesson 8. That's all for today. Have a good day.